Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your game tag on Minecraft Bedrock. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So right now I'm on Minecraft Pocket Edition on Android, but this can work for any method or any device because they're all on the same Bedrock account. So all you have to do is to open right here and then go to the profile section on the left. Once you go to your profile, it's going to ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. Make sure to do so and use the correct account. Now from here, as you can see, this is my gamer tag. And so for me to change it, I will actually have to change my gamer tag on my Xbox account or my Microsoft account in general. So once you go here, click on the three dots, then click on Manage Xbox Profile. This is going to send us to the Xbox profile user right here. And as you can see, we are right there on this page. And now as you can see, we are right now on the main page. And all you have to do is to simply either click on the dot sign, which is going to be the pen right there. And as you can see, my current nickname is set right there. And you can customize your nickname so that you can just have it right here. So you can just say, and there you go. Now we have two numbers. So this is going to be my current username that I'm going to use. And so from here, just make sure to click on save. And there you go. Finally, like that, it has changed the username. Let's go back to Minecraft. And now once it reloads, and just like that, now it's showing the new username right here on the right side. And you can click on your profile and double check it, and you'll make sure that it has changed the username. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.